Okay, good day. So again, this is teacher RC. So yeah, let's talk about the assets for group data. Ayan. So here, I give the class interval. Yeah, it's already given the frequency. Now, what are those numbers, or let's say variables that we need? Yan nga. So as you can see, we only have the class interval, frequency, class boundaries, and of course the cumulative frequency, no? Or less than cumulative frequency. So sir, paano po siya ginagawa? Sige. We need to consider of course the range. Ito yung mga bago natin makuha itong class interval. We need to find the range of the data. HV means highest value minus the lower or the lowest value. Okay? And then after it, we need to get the class, desired class natin. Sometimes this desired class is equal to 10, or it depends on the um, indicated desired class for the problem, or in a specific problem. Or we can use this one. This is also known as the Sturge formula. Sturge formula. Okay. So then, so after applying this, it's just 1 plus 3.322 log to base 10 n. So you will just input here the total population of the data. Okay, kung ilan ba sila or kung ano man po yung nandoon. No. So, I skip this one. Itong part na to. Yan. Ini-skip ko na siya. And, now, let's try to create. No, ito. Let's complete this one, this table for group data. So, sa Decile, ito lang po mga kailangan natin. We have this class boundaries and then the CF. Okay? Well, why? Is it because of the given formula for deciles for group data? Yes. We only need these variables to perform the deciles for group data. Now, for example, ito po kasi ang formula. This will be the XLB plus yan, then I, or let's say K, N over 10. And then plus this will be minus subtracted by the less than cumulative frequency over, so this one is the frequency, then times the interval. Okay, so interval, what is the interval here? So you may get the interval by subtracting this one, etong dalawa, so that is interval. So 64 minus 1 is 3, so interval is 3. Okay, so I is 3. Ayan. So let's try to complete it first. Then let's find the decile. Okay, let's say the third decile. Ayan. So guys, this is just a short review about decile for group data. Okay. So as you notice, lahat po ng measures of position measures, they are all the same in terms of their formula. Just happen na naiiba lang yung kanyang numerator dito sa part na to. Ayan. So, class boundaries. So, it's just a minus 0.5 and plus 0.54. Ayan. Include ko na rin class yung ating highest value, no? Para alam niyo yung gagawin din para sa ibang stats. So, hindi lang po dito ginagamit yan. Sa ibang stats din po ginagamit siya. Then, I just drag it down. Then, yun. You will see this one. So, kompleto na ako agad. Then, next is, o ba may magtaka, sir, how about this one? 76 to 78. Ayan. So, tama lang pala. Then, frequency. Copy the frequency of the less than 1 or the lowest one. So, that will be our initial number. Then, this one. Then, click this one. Then, add. Then, click the next frequency. Then, enter. then drag down. So here, kompleto na po ang aking table. So next, ang gagawin natin, let's look for the third decile. So yun lang naman po ang hinahanap natin, then third decile tayo. So paano? So let us use this one first, the in over 10, or let's say that because this one is third decile, then we will just multiply 0.3 by the population. The population is what? So tingnan natin, the population is, ayan, so let's equal this and get the sum of this, get the sum of the frequency, then we have 50. Okay, so we have 50, so we will just multiply 0.3 by 50. Ayan. So as you can see, this one we can have, ayan, so siguro mas mainam kung type na natin, no? So this will be 0.3, 0.3, sorry, then times 50. Ayan. So this one is 15. So 15 daw po yung mauuna dito sa taas. Okay, so let's see this formula. So for us to break down this, so lower boundary. So isa-isayin natin. XLB. Ayan. What is XLB for this one? So 15, saan siya papalo ngayon or saan siya magfo-fall? So I think dito. Nandito si 15. Kasi this one is limit to 7, then 15 nandito. So burahin ko na, sige, wag ko na. So ito, burahin ko na to. So ito yung ating decile 1. Sorry. Third decile. Rather. Okay, so kung yan third decile natin, then we may have this one as D3. So meaning andyan po natin makikita si D3. Next one, XL, yan. So knowing that this one is our D3, then let's extract all values that we need to apply the formula. So 66.5, ayan. So copy lang natin. Then next one, we already have the in, this one, that is just sige, lagay na natin. So CF na lang muna. CF. So less than CF is 7. So equal natin. Ayan po. The next one, frequency. Frequency of what? Frequency of the third decile. So frequency, that is 12. So here I will put 12, or right here 12. Ayan. Ayusin lang natin siya. And interval, of course, interval is 3. Ayan siya. So I is equal to 3. Then I think we're done with this one. Then let's proceed. So sige, lagay na natin yung third decile natin, no? Assumption third decile natin is 15. Saan to nakita or saan to nakuha? Doon sa doon sa ginawa natin dito. Sige, review. Ayan. Ito po, nakuha dito. Okay? Or we can say that this one is the value of this. Yan. So next tayo, having all the needed variables, then let's compute for the third decile. If you have calculators, then you may use it. Kung wala naman, pwede namang mano-mano yan. Yun nga lang, medyo matagal po, no? So let's have first this one. So solve natin muna yung sa loob. Okay? So I'm using this Excel to easily demonstrate and to present to you the solving process. Okay? So let's start with this. Sabi daw minus, so this will be our numerator. Subtracted by what? By 7. Okay, that is 8. Then divide daw. So, yan na, pinapakita ko na. Ito po yung nasa parenthesis natin. Then, divide this daw by the frequency, which is 12. Okay, 12. So, this is 6.7 daw. Then, next, after dividing it by 12, so, dito yun, multiply this one by 3. So, dito na susunod yun. Multiply this by 3. Okay, so it has the product is 2. And then, just add, so equal, then I will just add the boundary, this one, to this. Sorry. Yan. Plus, then this one. So, tapos na tayo. And this one is the third decile. Now, the third decile is 68.5. Then, let's check if this one is true. So, paano natin masasabi na tama siya? Because it falls under or in between of 67.5, between 66.5 and 69.5. Okay? So, in that case, we can say that the decile 3 is this one. Ayun. So, ganun po siya ginagawa. So, decile 3 or third decile. Okay? So, that's it.